Welcome to Gastro Vision. In today's video, you're going to learn how to differentiate a normal CBD on EUS from a pathological mass lesion in distal CBD, as seen from the duodenal bulb station. Let's start by observing the normal EUS anatomy first. Normal EUS appearance, duodenal bulb station. In this normal image, the common bile duct is seen as a tubular, anechoic structure located on the left side of the image, just adjacent to the transducer. You can clearly trace this tubular structure as it runs left to right, gently coursing into the pancreatic head, where it joins the main pancreatic duct. Together, they form the ampullary region before emptying into the duodenum, just posterior to the neck of the pancreas. You can identify the portal vein forming the portal venous confluence, the joining of the superior mesenteric vein and the splenic vein. This confluence appears as a smooth, rounded anechoic channel, a reliable landmark in EUS orientation. So to summarize, the CBD is tubular and anechoic. The pancreatic duct joins it smoothly. The portal confluence lies just behind, well-defined and regular. This is what a normal distal CBD and pancreatic head region should look like on EUS. Now, let's carefully look at the abnormal image. Here, you can immediately notice that the normal smooth tubular appearance of the CBD is lost. Instead, there's a localized hypoechoic mass within the distal common bile duct. This is your lesion. Let's focus on the typical findings. Localized hypoechoic mass in the common bile duct. The lesion appears darker than the surrounding pancreatic parenchyma, replacing the normal anechoic lumen of the CBD. This suggests tissue infiltration or intraductal growth. Heterogeneous internal echo. Instead of a uniform texture, the mass shows mixed echogenicity, reflecting variable cellularity and fibrosis within the tumor. This heterogeneity is a strong clue to malignancy. Irregular margins. Notice how the borders of the lesion are ill-defined and blend into the adjacent pancreatic tissue. This irregularity indicates invasion of the pancreatic head, rather than a confined intraductal growth. These findings together, hypoechoic, heterogeneous, and irregularly marginated mass in the distal CBD, are highly suggestive of malignant involvement, such as cholangiocarcinoma or pancreatic head carcinoma extending into the bile duct. When comparing the normal and abnormal EUS images, focus on loss of normal anechoic CBD lumen, replacement by a solid hypoechoic lesion, disruption of smooth ductal margins, loss of clear interface between CBD and pancreas. These subtle but crucial changes help you differentiate benign from malignant ductal pathology, especially when scanning from the duodenal bulb station. Let us summarize. Normal EUS, tubular anechoic CBD with smooth margins, clear visualization of pancreatic duct and portal confluence. Abnormal EUS, hypoechoic heterogeneous mass with irregular borders invading the pancreas. Recognizing these differences in real time can dramatically improve diagnostic accuracy in suspected distal cholangiocarcinoma or pancreatic head malignancy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gastro Vision for more real EUS case demonstrations and expert-guided learning sessions.